This is going to be a video tutorial on how to adjust or disable auto lock on an iPhone. Let me jump over to my iPhone here. I am on my iPhone now. To adjust or disable auto lock, what auto lock does, after a set period of inactivity on your phone, the screen will automatically shut off and lock itself. To adjust or disable that, you want to go to Settings. I'm going to tap on Settings. Then you want to go down to where it says Display and Brightness and tap on Display and Brightness. Then you'll scroll down. And right here is auto lock. As you can see, by default mine is set to 1 minute. 1 minute of inactivity. My screen will automatically shut off and lock itself. I'm going to tap on that. I can set it to 30 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes, or if I wanted to disable it, I would tap on Never. That is how to adjust or disable auto lock on an iPhone. Thanks for watching.